Whoa! I really like this purple. Hey guys, it's Daniel from DLT Reviews, and this is our unboxing of iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14. So we have some of the new colors this year. This is the deep purple, and then we have the purple iPhone 14 and blue iPhone 14 right here. Oh, I got those mixed up. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna check these out. And of course, these boxes are much slimmer than the past iPhones because they took out the charging brick. And something you might notice is that the Pro box is in white. It used to be in black. I don't know why they changed that, but let's go on the other side. And this year they don't have any plastic over it, which is pretty sad, but it does save the environment, so that's pretty good. Let's peel this off. Nice, sounds awesome. Here. And then let's slide the top off. And there we go. This is the new iPhone 14 Pro. And I'd say this is the only new iPhone that's worth getting. I'll get back to that in a second. But yeah, there's that nice purple. It's really dark. Kind of reminds me of the BTS earbuds that Samsung came out with. Okay, let's put this to the side and take a look at the other two colors we have here. Let's peel that. Bam. And bam. All right, this is the new blue, which from the pictures I've seen online looks super nice. Whoa, I really like this. This is almost the same color as my Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro. So that's really nice. And let's take a look at the final color here. Bam, and bam, there we go. Slide the top off. Whoa, I really like this purple. It's like a super light purple color, much lighter than the iPhone 12 that was in purple. You can see the sides here. It almost looks white. Oh, it matches my shirt kind of. Yeah, so these are some of the new colors. Also, another new color Apple released for the Pro was the space black, so it is no longer gray. But yeah, let's boot some of these phones up. So, but first let's take the plastic off. There we go. And yeah, that was much more satisfying than the Pro. All right, let's just take this. And everything else in the box is pretty much the same. So, here is an important memo. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. So that's one of the new things Apple did, is they discontinued having a physical SIM slot in their phone, which to me is pretty annoying since I switch between phones a lot. And yeah, you just have to do all that through software now. So as you can see on this side, nothing there to take out. So eSIM is just basically a software SIM card that identifies your phone on the carrier you have. And then we have the Apple sticker here. And of course, the Lightning to USB-C cable. And if you want a charging brick, you either should have it already or need to buy one. Anyways, let's put all these boxes down there and power up these phones. So the iPhone 14, there are not too many differences from the 13. Basically, it has the same exact body as the 13, and you could basically use the same cases from the 13 as the 14, and yeah, they didn't really change much. There is a slightly better camera this year, but not too different. It's still 12 megapixels. They have changed up some of the software they use to take the pictures, but again, you're not really gonna notice that difference. And if you're looking between a 13 and a 14 or upgrading, I'd really say it's not too worth it. So yeah, the 14, not much differences. This looks exactly like a 13, except the new super cool colors. I'm a huge fan of this purple. This looks like really, really nice. If they had this on the 14 Pro, I would have definitely gotten it. The blue also looks really nice too. I like this. This is a close second. And then the 14 Pro has a lot of new changes, but if you're coming from a 13 Pro, I don't think there's too much to compel you. But if you're coming from a 12 Pro or anything below that tier, this is going to be a huge upgrade. The cameras are going to be amazing, and then of course the screen now has a refresh rate of 120 Hertz, which they introduced last year. But if you're going to switch over to that now, it's going to look amazing. And yeah, it has the new A16 Bionic chip, which yeah, super powerful, as Apple always does with their chips. You might not be able to take advantage of all that power right now, but you'll be able to use the phone for a really long time. So yeah, that's about it for this unboxing and first impressions. Here are the new colors of the phones once again. And of course, if you want to see our in-depth reviews of these phones and many other things in the future, please hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit that like button if you like this video, or tap that dislike button twice if you disliked it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Ow, my knees.